Hi guys, let's pack my hospital bag together at 34 weeks. I am not going to be packing a lot because I know for a fact that hospital provides a lot of things that people go to the hospital with. So this packing is going to be a very brief one for myself and my baby. Let's get right into it. I'm going to be making use of these packing bags I got from Shein. So for myself, I'm going to be packing just a free gown. These are like nightwears, button down nightwears. I'm just going to take 3. These 3 are button down nightwears, and then the clothes I'm going to be leaving the hospital with. I came with this clothes from Nigeria. I never worn it for the past 2 years plus. But I'm going to be wearing it to leave the hospital anyway because it's a very free dress that I can just put from my neck and I'm ready to go. So let's fold it. Next, I'm going to be carrying my Perry bottle. Next is mom bra. I'm just going to be taking 2 different colors. I might not use it, but let's just take it. I'm going to be taking these. These are really already in the hospital, but I'm just going to be taking 2 because this is a lighter one and I might not be in the mood to wear the other one. I don't really know how it will go. My skincare products, I'm going to be packing them here. Face cream, body wash, and body cream. I bought this from Shein and it has the stickers to identify which is which one. So I'm going to be adding my face cream, my body cream, and my shower gel here. Just a little. As a first-time mom, we're not really sure what we need, so I'm just gonna take a few, maybe 4, and I'm also going to be taking the breast cream because I hear sometimes it can be painful, so I'm gonna add this to my bag. A slipper just for bathing in my bag. These bags are so useful. I actually recommend it. I'm just gonna put this in my bathing for bathing. See, these are so beautiful. And so the last thing I'm going to be adding to this bag is my makeup stuff, which I'm going to be packing later. Just a little bit of makeup for if I'm interested. Okay, up next, let's pack my baby's bag. I'm not sure which one to use for my baby's bag. Should I use, I bought this for, this is supposed to be for my trolley, while stroller, while this is supposed to be for hospital, but I feel like it's too big, so I'm going to go with this one because I'm not going to be packing much. Even down to the first clothes babies use in the hospital, these hospitals provide, because I have been in the hospital before and I saw they gave me everything I needed. But all of it, name it, it was all provided, so I'm not going to be taking them. Okay, so let's go. So for my baby's bag, I already sorted out what I'm going to be packing here. I'm really not going to be taking much. I'm just going to be taking onesies. I'm going to be taking just 3 pairs of onesies. These are already washed and ironed, you know, and arranged. So I'm just going to be taking 3 pairs with the matching hand, matching cap, and so on and so forth. I know they might not need these as well because, like I said, hospital also provide first clothes that baby wears, but I'm just going to be adding it just in case, you know. This one for the going home, really. And one last thing is this also for going home, baby carrier or wrap, how would you call it? Wrap for going home. So this is basically it for my baby's things. The next thing I'm packing in my baby's bag is my electric pump. They might even teach me how to use it, because I just got it and I don't even know how to use it. So I'm just going to take it just in case, and I'm going to take some bottles. I also know that hospital give bottle because I was right there when my friend was giving birth, and they gave her bottles, this tiniest one, not even these big ones. They gave her some very tiny bottles, but I'm going to take it anyways, just so I have my own pair. So this goes right into my baby's bag. Taking one shot for formality's sake. Let's just say I've already taken one before. I'm going to add one more for maybe when we're coming back to wrap baby. I don't know. I'm not so sure about these things. I know I'm just packing a lot. This is even a lot more than I plan to pack. So I'm going to get snacks, which is very important. I haven't gotten them yet. When I do get snacks, I'm also going to be adding snacks in my bag. And this is basically all I am packing in my hospital bag. If you have more, let me know in the comment section.